So, good morning once more and welcome to the GP2 Consultative meeting. I would like to recognize the presence of Mr. Stephen from Don Bosco Mondo, the DBTA team, the Salesians and lay collaborators from the 11 countries constituting our areas of intervention. As we all recall, the GP Phase 1 was focused on 5 pillars, namely modernization, capacity building, job service, green TVET, and networking, and is currently being implemented in Kenya, Malawi, Angola, Madagascar, South Sudan, Rwanda, Burundi, Nigeria, Chad, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Burkina Faso. At the end of the mid-term evaluation, which had active participation of members of the 11 countries of our areas of intervention, the resolution was to consolidate the activities of the 5 pillars by adopting a more systematic approach in the organization of activities, the implementation and achievement of desired outcomes, results, and impact. So in view of the above, you have been invited to be part of this consultative meeting or workshop to enrich our proposal. Your insights, project implementation, GP1 experience, ingenuity, and passion for the young people will definitely leave an imprint in the science of time, which will impact positively many young people within the African continent. The GP2, as highlighted by Father TJ George, our former DBTA director, Mr. Stephen, and Brother John, will be articulated and further consolidated in 3 pillars, namely modernization, capacity building, and networking, with elements of other pillars duly integrated in them. Without neglecting the micro and meso levels, the novelty of GP2 lies in the broadening of its impact, with great emphasis on the macro level, influencing government policies, organizations, private institutions in order to drive TVET policy and facilitate the desired change within the TVET ecosystem. The questions in our minds is how can we take part and influence the development of TVET policies? What strategies can be adopted to strengthen our partnership with the government and parastatal agencies? How do we create visibility and credibility? Our strategy would be an impact-oriented entry into the policy space in order to contribute to the development of systems that could influence the government to drive TVET change and delivery within our region. Nonetheless, in order for us to achieve this, we need to know our priority areas and ensure they are in consonance with the national development plans of our various nations. Activities at the macro level must therefore align with the National Development Plan. So the objective of this workshop, therefore, is to develop key areas of intervention based on the strategy above. To have a more robust deliberation, and in the spirit of teamwork and networking, DBTEC has requested the provincial economists, the PDO directors, and PTVETs to attend this consultative meeting to enrich the quality of reflection and intervention. We truly believe and hold in high esteem your expertise, your systematic approach, and your experiences. You are the think tank of GP2. May this workshop be enriching and enable us to achieve our goal, which is the enhancement of livelihood through a well-articulated intervention capable of durable impact in the life of young people, especially the most vulnerable, often abandoned at the fringe of the society. I wish us a fruitful deliberation and once more welcome you to our GP2 consultative meeting. With this, I declare the workshop open. Remain blessed and have a fruitful deliberation. Thank you.